Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching and spending a little time with me today. For this week, I am memory planning the week of May 3rd, which is also the week of Mother's Day in my Recollections Celestial planner. This beautiful kit is from dashofsundesigns, which is a shop I PR for. I do have all of the shops that I PR for down in the description with my codes, as well as any other shops that I mentioned in case you want to go check them out and shop for yourself. So anyways, I do pre-plan. As you can see, I have already pre-planned this week, and I will have that video linked down below as well, or it'll pop up in the cards if you want to watch it. But basically, I just pre-plan what I know is happening, and then I go in day by day and memory keep with the things that happened with the leftovers of the kit. So let's go ahead and get started with Monday. First, I'm going to start by grabbing one of these fun size boxes from the kit with this kind of clipboard foiled accent there, so it looks like a clipboard, and I'm going to layer that with the floral deco sheet that was an add-on that Chelsea was selling to go with this kit. And I'm going to layer that with a mandala that I cut from Creates Co, which is another shop that I PR for. And then I have an icon with the box and the stuff coming out of it that says donate stuff from, I think that was My Planning Addictions. I'm going to double check really quick, but yeah, that's just because on Monday, while we were out, I had a whole big pile of clothes accumulating that needed to be donated. So while we were out and about doing some errands Monday, we also stopped by the thrift store to drop off our, secondhand donations. And I double checked that was from My Planning Addictions. Then I'm going to take an arrow from the kit and then a daisy bow accent icon from a freebie from the Giving Girl, and then the stethoscope icon from the kit because I hurt my back in my workout on Monday, which thankfully it was not too badly hurt. I think I can attribute that to consistently working out and strength training and stretching because, I just feel like every time I've hurt myself, I tend to bounce back quicker than I used to. So I'm grateful for that. But anyway, I hurt my back, but thankfully it was only for that one day. I mean, it did kind of hurt the next few days, but not bad enough that I couldn't work out or do normal activities. So, thankfully it was still okay. So anyways, I also grabbed a leaf divider from Creates Co and cut it in half because I kind of like to use one half of the leafy, thing as an accent, like a little deco or something. So I think that's cute. So that was because I hurt my back. Then I'm going to take this cute, fun size kind of box with the bow clip on it from Simply Watercolor Co, a freebie. And the Walmart script is from Wild Summer Designs because, like I said, it was an errand day. So we went to Walmart, and then I just layered that with a bouquet from Creates Co and another bit of floral from the add-on sheet, the deco add-on sheet. I ended up cutting up a lot of the florals just to make sure that I could stretch it the whole entire week and it lasted perfectly to be able to use, kind of day by day. So just in case you're curious how I use that add-on sheet. Anyway, for my gratitude on Monday, I wrote generally pain-free body because I feel like it's so easy to take for granted, the things that you're used to. And so hurting my back made me realize gee, I pretty much have a pain-free body day today. I don't really have any complaints about anything. So I'm grateful for that. Being in pain reminded me to be grateful for that. Generally pain-free, body. So on Tuesday, I'm taking a third box from the kit, and then I have this, page flag with these pretty florals on it, and that was a collab sheet with Rose and Tea Shop and Clever Girl Crafts. I'm going to layer that with a cute Yoda icon from Inspire Ever After and just write May the 4th be with you because it was unofficial Star Wars Day, May 4th. And then I took some of the skinny dividers from the kit and layered that on the top and the bottom because I think that those skinny dividers are really cute for layering with accenting or framing things, but also just, to use as dividers, of course, but I used it to kind of frame that box. And then I used a flower divider from Dash of Sun to put below it. Then I have a freebie from Dash of Sun with this pretty rainbow and these flowers and scripts and things on them. And I thought I would use the rainbow, for this kit because there's rainbows in it. Unfortunately, I didn't want to put it right next to that rainbow full box, but I realized there wasn't enough room to put it where I put the Yoda because the rainbow was a little too big for that area. And then I realized, well, there's nowhere else really good for it to go because I already have the other rainbow on Thursday. and I couldn't put it at the top of Wednesday either. Anyways, so I just figured whatever, I'm just going to use it at the bottom of Tuesday. And I layered it with a Trader Joe's bow icon from Fox and Pip, and then a JK Creates squiggle divider underneath it. I like how that layering, that divider looks underneath the Trader Joe's thing. Anyways, that's because we went to Trader Joe's on Tuesday, and then I did my strength training workout. So I used a page flag from the kit and a workout script from Sticker Guru, which is another shop I PR for, as well as the JK Creates bouquet and the weight icons, the dumbbells, which I think are really cute because they're hand-drawn by Yana. For my gratitude on Tuesday, I wrote guided meditation because I did a guided meditation, and it was quite long. It was like 20 minutes, which is long for me because usually I only meditate like for 5 minutes a day. I'm trying to work on finding more time to stretch that out a bit, and the 20-minute one was really nice. So I liked that. And then on to Wednesday, it was Cinco de Mayo, and I forgot to put that in my planner, so I used a third box from the kit and a Cinco de Mayo holiday script from Rose Colored Days, and then one of these pretty daisy bow dividers from a Give and Go freebie. And then at the bottom of Wednesday, I'm going to use one of these adorable donuts from Papershire, which was a collab with the Rose and Tea Shop. Again, the same like anniversary freebie or whatever. It's got this cute butterfly on it, and it's a donut, and it's so cute. Because my in-laws came by to drop off some donuts from this new place we'd never tried before called Wicked Donuts. It was just kind of like an early Mother's Day present for me. And, you know, she got donuts for everybody. So, but that's the reason she said she got them. And they were really interesting flavors. Like they had cookies and cream and margarita, which actually came with the legit shot in a pipette. And what else? Like sticky bun pecan or something. I don't know. Interesting flavors. Then for my gratitude on Wednesday, I wrote back is better because pretty much by Wednesday I had no more residual pain, maybe like a tiny bit, but not really. So I was grateful for that. Then on to Thursday, I'm just gonna finish with that another squiggle divider from JK Creates, the same one from Tuesday, but this one you can see how it looks better without the, you know, circle icon layering over it. Then I have these really pretty washi strips from Tara from the Sticker Garden because she sent me over a big Happy Mail package for Christmas. And I'm going to haul that in my May haul. I already recorded it, so, but I haven't, you know, uploaded the haul yet, obviously. But what I'll do sometimes is I'll record my haul footage, and then that way I can use the stickers without, you know, when the haul is uploaded, you'll see the sheet without missing stickers, if that makes sense. So anyways, I used the pretty washi strip to layer with one of these pretty flowery bowstring labels from the Give and Girl to mark that. And we had to do another grocery run, so I am layering that with a shopping cart icon from the kit. Then I have this cute, it's like a screw top lid jar of product, and I'm just using it as a hair mask from Hazel Sticker from a freebie. And I got that freebie from her anniversary bundle, I think. Anyways, so I got a new hair mask from Mark Anthony, and it made my hair so soft, and my hair has just been felt like so terrible lately, like just dry and brittle, and it's breaking off, y'all. Like it's actually, I have like little wispy bangs, and I have around the nape of my neck hair that like will hang out, like fall out when I have it up in a, you know, ponytail or like in a hair clip or something. And I just don't know why. I really think that I have hypothyroidism, but you know, because like I said in my last video, I never use heat, I never color my hair, I never pull it back in like tight styles or anything. Like, I don't know what's the problem. I don't like towel dry my hair, like rubbing it like crazy. Like, I don't know. I'm really gentle with my hair, and still it's breaking and dry and brittle. So yep, that's my life. But the hair mask felt really good, thankfully. And then I just also took a few heartstring deco things that are really cute from the Give and Girl just to layer there. And I wrote hubby's help for my Thursday gratitude. I don't remember what he helped me with, but he was helpful that day, so I was grateful for that. Then I'm going to grab onto Friday, I'm going to grab this scalloped quarter box and use a butterfly icon from Clever Gal Crafts just to write in that I had a lot of emails and forms to do from my part-time job. And then I went and had a Starbucks trip in the morning before work. So thankfully, I was prepared, and I got this delicious guava black tea, and I added coconut milk to it. I wanted a peach peach tea, but I didn't know that Starbucks took away the peach syrup, and instead you have to ask for like peach juice. So I could have gotten the peach tea if I had known to customize it as a juice option. But I was looking under like flavors and syrups, and I was like, they don't have peach. Like, what's going on? Anyway, so I used a Starbucks trip from the same Tara Happy Meal from Piper Paper Company, which I just love the font of. It's so cute, and I layered it with some florals and squiggles from Honey Inked, as well as a cut squiggle from JK Creates. And my Gratitude Friday was risotto, because I finally tried risotto for the first time, and it was frozen, so it wasn't like scratch made perfect delicious risotto or anything, but it was the mushroom risotto from Trader Joe's, and we had it with like a salmon dinner, and it was really good. I was like impressed, and it came together really nicely, and I was just happy to, you know, finally try risotto in my life. And then on to Saturday, I had to do a specific email to our DRC DHH department. So I layered that with another deco from the add-on with the rainbow, and then the Giving Girl Teardrop bow daisy icon thing. Yeah, so with my work, I had to just email for the Disability Resource Center for Deaf and Hard of Hearing. I work for a college part-time. Anyways, so that was kind of what I did for Saturday. Then on the bottom of Saturday, my in-laws came by to give me my Mother's Day present early, and so I used this really pretty box with the floral all around it from the add-on sheet to mark that. And then I had to pick up my son. Oh, by the way, I used the Dad's House from Strawberry Creek, but he only spent the day at his dad's. Usually he goes there like once a month and spends a night, but for this day he only came over just for the day to meet his new little half sister. So we dropped him off in the morning, and that's why I got the Starbucks, so I could, you know, tackle my day at work. And then we went and picked him up after you know, he'd spent the day with his dad's family. And I used a heart icon from the Clever Gal Crafts sheet. And I used a washi strip because I did use some washi. I like the torn effect, and I used some throughout this spread, but I grabbed the wrong color. I don't know if you can tell, but the washi, for example, on Sunday, underneath that rainbow is like a pinky color, and then the washi I used on Saturday is kind of grayish, but I didn't even notice they were the wrong color, whatever. So next up, I'm going to move on to Sunday and get a half box from the kit and layer that with some florals, and then this fun rose, what is it? Rose Shadow Collection, there you go. Bow drop like Target symbol, and then a Target script from Wild Summer Designs, because we went to Target on Mother's Day because my husband wanted to take my son to go get me something. And for Mother's Day, I wrote Perfect Mother's Day because my family made it perfect. And that's going to be pretty much everything for this memory plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it helps out my channel and my video, and I truly appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe if you're not, why do I always say that weird? Subscribed if you're not already, so you don't miss more of my videos, since I upload content regularly. And leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back. I hope that you're well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you're enough just the way that you are, and don't let anyone ever try to tell you otherwise. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!